Your legs might be trying to tell you something long before the rest of your body catches on. If you've noticed them feeling weaker, shakier, or just not as dependable as they used to be, you're not alone. Many people assume it's just age or a lack of movement. But the truth is, weakening legs can actually be one of the earliest signs that your body is lacking essential support. Fortunately, the solution might be as simple as looking at what's on your plate. Certain foods are packed with the nutrients your muscles, nerves, and blood vessels need to keep your legs strong, steady, and reliable. In today's video, you'll discover 4 incredibly effective foods that help strengthen your legs naturally. These aren't obscure superfoods or expensive supplements. They're everyday foods that work behind the scenes to improve circulation, reduce inflammation, protect your nerves, and preserve lean muscle mass. Whether you're dealing with fatigue, wobbly knees, or nighttime cramps, adding these to your meals could make a big difference. As we age, the muscles in our legs tend to shrink faster than anywhere else in the body. That's not just a cosmetic issue. Weak legs can increase your risk of falls, mobility loss, and long-term health decline. The culprits? Often it's poor circulation, unnoticed nutrient deficiencies, or chronic inflammation that gradually chips away at your strength. But here's the good news. With the right foods, you can support muscle regeneration, improve endurance, and help your legs feel strong and energized again. So if you're tired of struggling with steps, stiffness, or sudden fatigue, you'll want to pay close attention. Let's take a look at the 4 most powerful foods you can start eating today to help your legs stay strong for years to come. Number 1, spinach. Spinach might seem like just another leafy green, but when it comes to leg strength, it's one of the most underrated tools in your kitchen. Beneath its mild flavor and soft texture lies a nutritional powerhouse packed with magnesium and potassium, 2 essential minerals that your muscles and nerves rely on to function properly. These minerals don't just keep your legs moving, they help prevent cramping, support better coordination, and even reduce the risk of injury from everyday movements like walking, standing, or climbing stairs. Magnesium plays a quiet but critical role in muscle contraction and relaxation. Without enough of it, your muscles can become overly tense, more prone to spasms, and slower to recover after even mild exertion. That means when you're low on magnesium, simple tasks like walking for a few blocks or getting up from a chair can feel surprisingly exhausting. Spinach helps fix that. Just 1 cooked cup provides nearly 40% of your daily magnesium needs. And because it's so easy to add into meals, it's one of the best ways to keep your levels steady without supplements. Potassium, on the other hand, helps regulate the electrical signals that allow your muscles to fire correctly. Every time you move, potassium is working in the background to balance fluids and electrolytes inside your cells. A lack of potassium can lead to muscle weakness, sluggish reflexes, or a heavy leg feeling that slows you down during the day. Luckily, spinach is a reliable source. 1 serving delivers around 800 milligrams of potassium, helping you reach your daily goal and keeping your legs responsive and strong. But spinach's benefits don't stop there. It's also rich in plant compounds like nitrates, which have been shown to improve blood flow by relaxing and widening blood vessels. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients get delivered to your leg muscles when they need it most. Whether you're walking, standing for long hours, or recovering from physical activity. 1 study even found that dietary nitrates from vegetables like spinach improved muscle efficiency and endurance, particularly in older adults. And it's not just about the minerals. Spinach also contains small but important amounts of vitamin K, folate, and iron, nutrients that work together to support healthy blood cells, reduce inflammation, and keep your joints functioning smoothly. This makes spinach especially valuable for people who deal with swelling, stiffness, or general leg fatigue throughout the day. The best part? Spinach is easy to include in almost any meal. You can sauté it with garlic and olive oil for a quick side dish, toss a handful into your morning smoothie, stir it into scrambled eggs, or mix it into soups, stews, or casseroles. It cooks down easily and blends with nearly any flavor, making it one of the simplest ways to sneak in powerful nutrition without changing your routine. So if your legs are starting to feel a little less steady, or you simply want to keep them strong for the long haul, spinach might be the quiet hero you've been overlooking. Number 2. Salmon. When it comes to protecting your leg strength and mobility as you age, salmon stands out as one of the most complete foods you can add to your plate. This fatty fish isn't just a great source of high-quality protein, it's also packed with omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, B vitamins, and essential minerals like selenium and potassium. Together, these nutrients work in harmony to keep your muscles strong, reduce inflammation, and improve circulation to your lower limbs. Let's start with protein. Your muscles need a steady supply of protein to repair, rebuild, and maintain strength. As we age, this becomes even more important because muscle mass naturally declines, a process known as sarcopenia. If left unchecked, it can lead to weakness, balance issues, and difficulty doing basic tasks like walking or standing up from a chair. Salmon provides complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to support muscle repair and prevent further breakdown. Just one 3-ounce serving delivers around 22 grams of protein, more than enough to make a difference in your daily intake. But protein alone isn't enough. That's where omega-3 fatty acids come in. Found abundantly in salmon, especially wild-caught varieties, omega-3s are powerful inflammation fighters. Chronic inflammation can damage muscle tissue, slow down recovery after physical activity, and even disrupt the way your body handles blood flow to your legs. Inflammation is also a known contributor to circulation issues like peripheral artery disease, which restricts blood flow to your limbs and makes your legs feel heavy, tired, or numb. By including salmon in your diet, you're helping to reduce that inflammation and restore better mobility from the inside out. Salmon also contains vitamin D, which plays a direct role in muscle function. Low vitamin D levels have been linked to reduced leg strength, balance problems, and a higher risk of falls, especially in older adults. Since vitamin D helps your muscles respond properly to nerve signals, getting enough of it ensures your legs can contract and relax smoothly during everyday movement. Unfortunately, many people, especially those who spend most of their time indoors, don't get enough vitamin D from sunlight alone. That makes salmon a crucial dietary ally for supporting both your bones and your muscles. Then there's the circulation factor. Salmon is naturally high in potassium, which, like spinach, supports proper blood flow by balancing fluid levels and reducing strain on blood vessels. Strong circulation is key to delivering oxygen and nutrients to your muscles, and poor blood flow is often one of the hidden culprits behind leg pain, cramps, or that all-too-common heavy leg feeling. Eating salmon regularly helps maintain optimal blood pressure and improves the elasticity of your blood vessels. 2 major wins for your lower body strength. When it comes to incorporating salmon into your routine, it's both versatile and delicious. You can grill it, bake it, broil it, or pan-sear it with just a sprinkle of herbs and a splash of lemon. Canned salmon is also a budget-friendly option, and it's just as nutritious as fresh. Add it to salads, mix it into whole grain bowls, or make salmon patties with oats and egg for an easy muscle-boosting meal. If leg weakness or soreness is something you've been noticing more often, salmon may be the missing piece in your diet that helps restore the strength and endurance you need to stay active, mobile, and independent. Number 3. Greek yogurt. When it comes to keeping your legs strong and steady, Greek yogurt is one of the most underrated yet incredibly effective foods you can rely on. This thick, creamy dairy staple is more than just a tasty snack. It's a nutritional powerhouse packed with protein, calcium, probiotics, and key B vitamins that help maintain both muscle and bone health as you age. Let's start with the star nutrient, protein. As we grow older, maintaining muscle mass becomes a challenge due to natural muscle loss, inactivity, and slower recovery. Greek yogurt delivers a high dose of complete protein, making it ideal for rebuilding and preserving the muscle fibers that support your legs. In fact, just 1 cup of plain, low-fat Greek yogurt provides up to 20 grams of high-quality protein, almost double the amount in regular yogurt. This is essential not just for repairing tiny tears in your muscle tissues after movement, but also for preventing further breakdown that leads to frailty and weakness. But building strength isn't just about muscle. Your bones play a crucial role in stabilizing your legs, and that's where calcium and vitamin D come in. Greek yogurt is naturally rich in calcium, a mineral that keeps your bones dense and strong. Without enough calcium, your bones can become brittle over time, increasing the risk of fractures and making it harder for your legs to support your weight effectively. Pairing calcium with vitamin D is even more powerful, and while Greek yogurt doesn't naturally contain much vitamin D, many brands fortify it, making it a convenient way to get both nutrients in one simple serving. Then there's the gut-muscle connection. Greek yogurt is a source of live probiotics, the beneficial bacteria that help support your digestive health. Why does that matter for your legs? Because poor digestion and nutrient absorption can indirectly contribute to muscle fatigue and weakness. If your gut isn't processing vitamins and minerals efficiently, your muscles might not be getting the fuel they need to function properly. Regularly consuming probiotics can improve nutrient uptake, reduce inflammation, and support better metabolic function, benefits that go beyond digestion and help you feel stronger and more energized overall. Greek yogurt is also rich in B vitamins like B12 and riboflavin, both of which play a key role in converting food into energy. B12 in particular supports nerve function, and its deficiency has been linked to muscle weakness, especially in the lower body. Seniors and vegetarians are especially prone to low B12 levels, so Greek yogurt can be an excellent way to fill that gap without relying on meat. Adding Greek yogurt to your routine is simple. You can enjoy it on its own, mix it with berries and a sprinkle of nuts for added fiber and healthy fats, or use it as a base for smoothies and sauces. It's also a great substitute for sour cream or mayonnaise in recipes if you're looking to lighten things up without sacrificing creaminess. For those who are lactose sensitive, there are lactose-free Greek yogurt options available, as well as non-dairy alternatives made from almond or coconut milk. Just make sure they're fortified with calcium and contain added protein. Ultimately, if your legs are starting to feel weaker or more tired than usual, a daily serving of Greek yogurt might help restore that strength by giving your muscles, bones, and gut exactly what they need to stay resilient. Number 4. Beets. Beets may not be the flashiest item in your kitchen, but when it comes to strengthening your legs from the inside out, they're one of the most powerful natural allies you can add to your plate. These vibrant root vegetables are rich in nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide, a compound that helps widen blood vessels, improve circulation, and deliver oxygen and nutrients more efficiently to your muscles. And when it comes to strong, healthy legs, proper blood flow is absolutely essential. As we age, blood vessels can stiffen and circulation tends to decline, especially to the extremities. This reduced blood flow can lead to cold feet, leg cramps, fatigue during walking, and even an increased risk of falls due to muscle weakness. Beets directly address this issue by enhancing vascular function and keeping your blood vessels flexible and responsive. When nitric oxide levels rise, your blood vessels relax, allowing more oxygen-rich blood to reach your leg muscles. That means more endurance, faster recovery, and better strength with every step you take. Several studies have highlighted the endurance-boosting power of beets, particularly for older adults. In one trial, older individuals who consumed beetroot juice before exercising were able to walk longer distances with less effort. Another study found that regular consumption of beets improved oxygen uptake during low-intensity physical activity, essentially allowing the muscles to do more with less strain. This is especially helpful for people who experience leg fatigue while walking or climbing stairs. Beets also contain key nutrients like folate, potassium, and vitamin C. Folate supports the formation of red blood cells, which are critical for carrying oxygen throughout your body. Potassium plays a major role in maintaining proper muscle function and preventing cramps. And vitamin C works as an antioxidant, reducing inflammation that can contribute to leg pain and muscle stiffness. But beets go beyond just circulation. They help reduce inflammation across the body, thanks to a group of pigments called betalains. Chronic inflammation is a major contributor to muscle loss, stiffness, and joint pain, issues that can significantly impact your leg health over time. Including beets in your diet helps to counteract this inflammation naturally, giving your muscles a better environment to function and recover. Now, how do you get more beets into your day? The good news is they're incredibly versatile. Roasted beets make a great side dish. Shredded raw beets can be added to salads. And beet juice or smoothies are a quick, effective way to get a concentrated dose of nitrates. If you're not a fan of the earthy taste, Try mixing beets with apples, carrots, or citrus in juices or salads to balance the flavor. Even beet powder or beetroot capsules are available for those who prefer supplements. Just make sure the products are nitrate-rich and not overly processed. One tip to remember: for best results, avoid boiling beets for too long, as this can reduce their nitrate content. Instead, opt for roasting, steaming, or eating them raw to preserve the nutrients. And if you notice a reddish tint in your urine after eating beets, don't worry, it's totally harmless and quite common. It's just a sign your body is processing the pigments found in this deeply colored root. All in all, if you're looking for a natural way to improve leg endurance, prevent cramping, and feel more energized during your daily activities, beets deserve a regular spot on your plate. They don't just support stronger legs, they help your entire circulatory system function more efficiently, which pays off in every movement you make. While all four of these foods, spinach, salmon, Greek yogurt, and beets, offer powerful support for leg strength, it's important to remember that no single food works in isolation. For best results, include them regularly as part of a well-rounded diet. Stay active with light resistance or walking exercises, and stay hydrated throughout the day. Also, keep in mind that pairing nutrient-dense foods with proper timing, like eating protein-rich meals after activity or combining iron and vitamin C sources, can enhance absorption and muscle recovery. If you're dealing with specific medical conditions or are on medications that affect muscle function or circulation, it's always a good idea to consult your doctor before making major dietary changes. To sum it up, spinach supports healthy nerves and muscles with magnesium and potassium. Salmon provides anti-inflammatory omega-3s and complete protein to protect your muscles as you age. Greek yogurt gives your bones and muscles the calcium and protein they need to stay strong and steady. And beets act like a natural fuel booster, improving circulation so your legs get the oxygen and nutrients they need to perform and recover. These aren't just healthy options, they're smart, targeted tools for keeping your legs strong, steady, and capable as the years go by. If you found this information helpful, we'd love to hear from you. How do you incorporate these foods into your diet? Drop a comment below and let us know your favorite way to enjoy them, or suggest a topic you'd like us to cover in our next video. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe for more science-backed health tips, and share it with someone you care about. Keeping your legs strong is more than just avoiding weakness. It's about staying mobile, independent, and full of energy for everything you love to do. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay informed and stay healthy.